Hi everyone. In my last video I told you that I would show you what I bought when I went into Walmart and give you a glimpse inside the refrigerator, how it all fits. And so each one of these is just something I bought. Some of you said you were interested in this. I hope it's not a boring video, but here's the foods that I typically eat. If you travel or are a part-time or full-time nomad, in the comments, let me know what you use. Thanks for being here, everyone. I appreciate you. Be sure to like, subscribe, share, and comment. We'll see you down the road.